Good morning. I hope you're doing wonderfully today. A friend of mine by the name Azad once was traveling back to his homeland in Iraq with his family. It was their last flight after 7 years of studying his PhD in the United States. His daughter requested kindly to have a new family member join them, and that was the beautiful feline that goes by the name Lafy. Lafy was a very little cat that just made the family love each other more. Azad completed all of the documentation, but once they arrived at Chicago O'Hare Airport, they faced a very agonizing decision. The travel agent refused to let Lafy be with them in the plane going back to Iraq. The reason of which is lack of one of the necessary documents for the cat. Azad was really saddened by this news and took Lafy with him to his fellow passengers, transportation agents, and everyone he could find in the airport, requesting that they adopt Lafy until he finds a solution to bring her with him to Iraq. But everyone declined his request. Desperation welled up inside Azad as he was trying to find a solution. He was faced with a very difficult decision, as Azad faced a very tough decision either to abandon Lafy and take every one of his family members to the boarding plane because it's about to take off, or he cancels the flight. He tried everything possible, but everything failed. Then he approached the travel agency and told them, I want to cancel my flight back to Iraq until I find a solution where I can accompany Lafy in the plane with me. His daughter was crying so much. His family were in tears because they didn't want to leave a family member back in a strange airport. Then the miracle happened. He went from one airline to another until he got approval from the Turkish Airlines. After canceling the first flight, he went to the Turkish Airlines, and with some negotiations, they decided to accept Lafy in the plane and then take her with the family members to be united again when they land in their homeland in Iraq. The story is a story of love and triumph over all the adversity in life. Don't give up on anyone that you love. Try to unite with them at any cost possible. The relief and joy that Azad's family had was immeasurable once they were united again with the beloved cat, Lafy. The story is a testament of the unwavering commitment and love to family members. It serves as a model to face all the obstacles in life. The story tells us that with all the unsurmountable challenges that we face in life, the heart of the human being is the strongest. Since we as human beings have the resilience and devotion and the heartwarming love for every other member of our family. Thank you very much. اكو شخص نايم هنا فراح شويه ازعجه. ويكي ويكي. Hey, wake up, sleepy girl. لافي. تعسان كلش قبل ما
sleepy.